I'm back with another item that I was sent by an Instagram seller. I'm gonna tag their name right here for you guys. Go follow them on Instagram and make sure that you go on their link and look for this item that I'm about to show you. I'm so excited. So of course I had to open it, obviously. But these are some Yeezy slides. Now the box came a little beat up. They put some bubble wrap around it, but this is how the box is. Now let's open it. Look at these, look at these, look at these. Okay, so it come in a plastic bag. Product inside, just a tag here, just a tag. They have these, I don't know what tags. So these are the slides. This is what they look like on. All right, so this is the fit. This is today's fit. What you guys think? This was my son's shirt, but he didn't want it, so I took it. What do you guys think? I'm loving these. So comfortable.